Hey guys, this is Joseph Technology here, and today I am doing an unboxing video with the Samsung Omi unboxing. As you can see, I got the phone right here. See if it has any juice after I open this. So anyways, I got this knife here to open it. It's a butter knife though, but it will do. So let's get into it. Now I think I can just open this. What the? This is not. This is not the battery. Hang on, I don't think this is the battery to this thing. This is not the battery, but let's see if I can get this out. Unfortunately, I don't think this is the right battery, but anyways, this is not the right thing. Okay, they gave me the wrong. This is not the battery that I ordered, but anyways, don't worry. But this is probably the battery to another Gusto. So anyways, I'm gonna test this to see if there's any juice. Let me go grab the Gusto. This is another battery to the Gusto. Let's see if this has any juice in it. Come on, please be juice. I hope there's juice. It does have juice, but the battery's low. It does have juice, but it's almost out of juice. So anyways, this is not the battery that I ordered. So anyways, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for more notifications so you don't miss out for new videos like this one, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.